Before diving into a home rental investment, there are a few essential things you need to know to ensure you're making the right choice. With so many property management software options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. Home Rentals claims to streamline your management needs, but is it the best fit? Let's take a closer look at what it offers and how it compares to the competition. First thing to consider, ease of use. Home Rentals promises a user-friendly interface, which is crucial when managing multiple properties. However, compared to other platforms, it might feel a bit basic. Other options like Propertyware offer more advanced customization, though they may require more of a learning curve. So if you're new to property management software, Home Rentals might still be a better choice for simplicity. Next thing is automation. Home Rentals offers automated rent reminders, payment processing, and maintenance tracking, which is great for streamlining tasks. But if you're managing a large portfolio, platforms like AppFolio and Buildium go beyond by offering advanced automation features, like leasing workflows and document generation. Home Rentals is certainly efficient, but more robust systems exist if you need complex automation. The third thing to keep in mind is reporting capabilities. Home Rentals offers some reporting options, like income statements and expense tracking. But when comparing it to the competition, platforms like Rentec Direct provide much more detailed financial reports, helping you make informed decisions based on data. So while Home Rentals is adequate, you might feel limited if you're managing large-scale operations. The fourth thing is mobile app functionality. Home Rentals has a decent mobile app that lets you manage your properties on the go. However, it's not as comprehensive as some of its competitors. Buildium and AppFolio's mobile apps are much more feature-packed, offering full access to all the desktop functionalities, so you don't miss a thing when you're away from your computer. Next, look at customer support. Home Rentals provides email support, which is okay, but can take some time to resolve complex issues. Compare that to Propertyware's live chat or AppFolio's dedicated support teams, which provide faster, more direct assistance. If you value responsive customer support, other options might be worth considering. Then there's the pricing. Home Rentals offers a competitive pricing structure with plans that can suit smaller operations. However, if you're running a larger business, some competitors like AppFolio offer tiered pricing with more comprehensive services that scale with your needs, even though they can be a bit pricier. Home Rentals may feel more affordable, but be sure you're not sacrificing features for cost. Another important point is marketing tools. Home Rentals allows for basic listing syndication, but doesn't have the integrated marketing features of competitors like Rentec Direct, which allows for one-click listings on multiple rental sites. If marketing is a big part of your business, you may find more value in software that includes more advanced advertising tools. Next, take a look at the customization options. Home Rentals doesn't allow for much customization in terms of branding or functionality. If you want something tailored to your specific needs, you might want to explore competitors like Propertyware, which allows for more flexible customization. This could make a difference in your business operations if branding is a priority. Another thing is tenant communication. Home Rentals offers basic messaging systems, but compared to competitors like Buildium, it lacks integrated communication features such as automatic tenant notifications for lease updates or maintenance requests. More advanced options could improve tenant satisfaction and help keep everything running smoothly. Security is the next point. Home Rentals does a decent job protecting user data, but it lacks the advanced security measures of competitors like AppFolio, which offer two-factor authentication and more detailed user access controls. If data security is a priority for you, it might be worth exploring other options with more robust security features. Then, consider the scalability. Home Rentals works well for small to medium portfolios, but it may not be as effective for large-scale property management. Competitors like Propertyware provide more options for larger portfolios, with a range of features designed for scalability. Finally, integrations. Home Rentals does allow for some integrations, but compared to competitors like Rentec Direct, it offers fewer third-party integrations. If you're using multiple tools to manage your properties, you might find other software more useful if you need to sync across platforms. In conclusion, Home Rentals is a solid option for those just getting started in property management or those with a smaller